Like, what in the fuck was I thinking? Alright, you beautiful ladies and gentlemen. We have another YouTube video coming at you right now. Alright, so basically I've been in the need, let me let my window up. I've been in the need for a project car, right? Or a project motor or something, you know, something to do, just keep me busy, you feel what I'm saying? Well, I think we just found one, and I'm about to head over there right now. I don't think I'm gonna record when I get there because, you know, I don't want to be all in people's personal space, but we will record after I pick it up. And yeah, so let's get to it. Like, what in the fuck was I thinking? It's following me right now. It's right there, chilling behind me. You'll see it when we get at the house. All right, y'all, I'm back at home now. You know, you see Tyrone over there chilling. You know, this is my baby. But I think you just got a little glimpse of what the f we got going on now. So, it's a 92 Chevrolet Camaro. Of course, it's not in any type of decent condition. The thing that I'm worried about is this right here. So, what we have here is a 5.3 LS motor, and this is what I was gonna do. Well, not in this Camaro, you know, I'm a Mustang guy, but this is basically essentially what I was gonna do. So are we gonna fix this car? I doubt it. I really doubt it. But what we are gonna do is yank the motor and trans out of there, and we're probably gonna sell it. I got it for a sweet deal. I mean, considering the condition of this, all it is the motor and trans, but the trans is what is it? 480, I mean 4060. So, you know, it's a decent trans. I think he had to be spraying it. What in the, is this? No, I don't know. But we're gonna inspect it and see what we got going on, and see how bad of condition it's in. Hopefully the motor is all good. But you know, let's get to it. Man, all that gotta come out. Yeah, never mind. I probably ain't messing with this car. So, let's, I don't even know where to start with this. Let's get all these plug wires, get all these wires out the way first. What in the hell? Man, he didn't. All right, well, this is to be expected. There's, look at little baby lizard. Hey, buddy. I'm not even finna play with you because I don't know what you got. So, bruh. Is this supposed to be his intake? So this is how he run. You may as well have a carburetor with no filter on it. That's just, let me stop janking this man. Yeah, we definitely just gonna go buy us another harness. Bro, it felt like someone was crawling up my legs. Oh, well, that was easier than I thought it would be. Hey, that's it. So, cool. Wait, am I going around? Hell no, that is stuck on there. You know what? It may be a good idea to see if I can drain this oil pan, because I did bring that over here, but it may be a good idea to see if I can. If I can, I mean there's oil in the car, and that may not be a good idea to just take it out of the car. if fuel has been run through it, you know what? Let's just drain this oil pan and make sure I ain't finna have a catastrophic rain down on me. Feels a lot tighter under here, I can tell you that. I brought all these bugs from the country, man. I don't think there's anything in here because it probably would have started draining if it was. Oh, it is. Ah, bro was ready to start this mug up. Oh, this is some really good oil. Yeah, he just put this in here. All right, well, we'll let that drain for a second and we'll get back to it. Well, we made a mess. Wonderful. Let's move the car and clean this up. After I stick this bolt back in there. Now I need a container to put the oil in. You didn't think that through, did you? You didn't think that one through now, did you, buddy? And I know y'all see this exhaust just chilling on the ground. It's okay. All right, here we go, Mark. Shit. 3, 2. Oh wait, yeah, that's what I was doing. 1. Oh, okay. I didn't know it was gonna come up. Oh well, stupid. Are you dumb? Stupid. All right, let me figure out. I need to take this damn throttle cable off. Let's see. And I think I'm gonna get me a something to keep this organized.
Yeah.
Like a little
When me and my dad were taking apart the lawnmower that we were building, we put them in this plastic bag. You can write on the bag whatever it is, and I put it like a spot on the bag.
Sound like a good idea.
And I took an assload of pictures too.
Yeah. Hey. Oh, I need some sandwich bags though. Like, yeah, because those are the smaller ones that you need. God damn. Hey, man. Yeah. Hey, man.
What?
What the hell going on here?
Yeah.
This ain't too pretty. I guess I clean. I don't know. I don't even know if I should clean her up.
I think you might want to wait till you take the whole thing out.
I think that's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, this would not have been the smartest idea if I wasn't getting rid of it. Like, look at that shit. That shit is moldy. Like, I'm not touching any food until I get my life together. Oh, here we go. Hit my radiator though.
Yeah.
Oh, my hood is over here, chilling, big chilling.
Did you take it off?
Yeah. Well, it was off whenever I got there. I low-key want to pull the head to get all the water out anyway, but I don't feel like pulling both sides of the head. So I don't think I'm gonna do that. Never mind. As a matter of fact, let me go ahead and do my outro to this video. I don't even know what I got done in this video. Anyway, next video, y'all probably see me pulling this out or doing something with this monstrosity of a car. But yeah, you know, it's your boy Dirty D, and we out, I guess. What the fuck is that? That's my entire exhaust